Butters, Butters, it's the box of happy. It's the box of happy. Yay! It's in the box of happy, huh? It's the Christmas box. Oh, cute. Look at that cute little picture. Aww. That is adorable. Cute, 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 cute. We love that beanie. Oh, and they got red paper for the holiday season. Okay. Look, you got a present. It's a present for the beanie. Merry Christmas. It's a catnip candy cane. Hey, it's a candy cane. Hey, hey, look, it's a candy cane. Candy cane is dingle dangle dingle dangle dangle. Here we got some meowy cupcake cream. Got some lotion for all the dry air. It gets too bonding. Well, the heat dries out the human skins. You can smell it through the little seal. Okay, let's unseal this. Okay, ooh, we got bowls. You okay? Set of 3 bowls, and he's gonna leave me. Ah. Ooh, look at that. Got, these actually might be good for, not only for people, but it's work for your pets too. This might make a good drinking bowl for you. And then you got the little itty bitty like pinch bowl, or you can put some berries in there. You got the medium sized bowl. It's got a zip up hoodie. Yeah, he's gonna have a snack. He's back from his snack. Looky, it's a hoodie. That's plastic. No. 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 Look, oh, come on. Here's what it is. It's a zippy. And on the back, hiss. These came in 3 options. It said hiss, purr, and meow. I wanted to hiss, so I'm glad I got the hiss. Looking outside at the cold, wearing his hiss hoodie. Yeah, it's all snowy out there, baby. We can't go out there though. There we go. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to be a little beanie on a sleigh. Hey!